Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Motorola Razr 40 versus Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. So let's see the full video. Now for display comparison. Display type, display resolution, display size, PPI density, has touch screen, display brightness, screen to body ratio, refresh rate. Now for memory comparison. Has RAM memory, has memory, card slot. Now for design comparison. Has unported dimension, has ported dimension, has SIM slot, has weight, water resistant. Now for main and selfie camera comparison. Has main camera megapixel, main second camera megapixel, has flash, has video recording, has selfie camera megapixel, has video recording. Now for connectivity comparison. Has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, has GPS, has Galileo GLONASS and BDS, infrared port, has NFC, USB connectivity. Now for battery comparison. Has battery type, has battery capacity, has battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison. Has loudspeaker, has 3.5 mm jack. Now for sensors comparison. Has accelerometer, gyro, compass, barometer, fingerprint. Now for features comparison. Has announcement, has network type, has colors. Now for price comparison. Has price euro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe for gadgets compare.